Alright, chicken in a brick. For this one I've got a small whole chicken without giblets, and this is 1.25 kilograms, about 2.5 pounds. So the first thing I want to do is get that off it, and I don't want all that on it either, because it affects the speed at which your chicken roasts and it doesn't cook evenly with all that blocked up. So I like to get in under there. I also like to get my thumb under the skin and down as far as it will go. Get my thumb under the skin, in there, and then put my index finger in as far as it will go, and then lift that out. Into that I've got some butter here, and I've got a bit of garlic. You can omit the garlic if you don't like the garlic, and I like to put plenty of garlic. There's about 2 cloves of garlic in that, not messing about here, you know. And I'm gonna spoon that into under the skin on that side, using about 2/3 of it. So that goes in under the skin, and then I just massage that until it's all the way under the skin. That's going to help baste this bird beautifully. Alright, so we got to that bit, and I'm going to rub the rest of it on the outside of the skin. This is messy. This is messy. I'm going to put a little bit inside of it as well. Yum. That in there. And then I rub that all over the outside. So we've got, the bird is butter basted with garlic butter on the outside and on the inside. Make sure you rub that all around even, get some down on the wings. Alright, that's the bird basted, so now let's just get the Römertopf ready. And it's been soaking for about 2 hours, so it's nice and wet, lid and bottom. Into the bottom I've got half a white cabbage, which I'm going to put in along the bottom. And let's just get that in there and see what it's like. And let's just check the lid. That's good, I can hear that's good. And in and around it I'm going to put some vegetables. I've got some swede or rutabaga as you may know it, some chopped celery, chopped stalk celery that is. You can use celeriac as well, there's no rules against that. And I've got some carrot, that can all go in. And also on there I've got some extra garlic, because I love garlic, I do. So I'm going to shove a couple inside the cavity. Let's make that 2 of those, and then I'm going to chuck a couple in and around the bird like that. Right. And I'm just going to put on some of my favourite chicken seasoning on top. Use whatever you like. Salt, pepper, garlic. I'm using the Italian chicken seasoning that you've seen me use on previous videos. So it's about a tablespoon of seasoning. And just that over there. Now for me spuds. Just arrange the spuds around the outside. I did a previous video using chicken pieces, and this one is using the whole chicken just to show you how the chicken comes out. Alright, it was a bit of a push, but we managed to get all of the veg on there, and I'm going to dust that with a bit more of my seasoning. That'll do. Right, now this goes into a cold oven. It's very important you put these bricks into a cold oven and bring it up to heat. So this is going into a cold oven at 200 degrees Celsius. That's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. and that's going in for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and for the last 20 minutes to make up 1 hour and 30 minutes it's going to be roasted with the lid off. So into the oven it goes, set it at 200 degrees and turn it on. Okay, it's time to take a look at this. Let's have a look. Alright, now I had failed to take account of the fact it was going into a cold oven, so I added another 10 minutes to the cooking time, and that bird has been in for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Alright, I'm going to put that back in now to finish browning up for another 20 minutes. Alright, let's have a look. And there we have it. I think we need to take a look at how this breast has turned out. And one of the great advantages of cooking this way is how wonderful and juicy that breast remains in there. Let me just get you in close. So there you see it, look how juicy that is, and that has remained in there. I can't think of a better way of roasting a chicken. That is absolutely wonderful, and it keeps it nice and juicy, and all the veg are roasting alongside it. Alright, all that remains now is for me and my brother to start eating that. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.